sure. Okay, so if I'm right, I don't know which Manakin, but a lick is like a performance area that they set out, that they clean, and then they do this little dance to attract females. And that clicking sound, I think, is wing snapping. Some up there, I'm not going there, but there's one that I heard down here. Going to private property. Gotta be. Okay, I'm gonna go see if I can find it. Looks like two males. I'm just trying to figure out if, there we go, if they have a specific spot, or if it's just in this area. Just the area. Okay, a bit of commentary may be helpful. So I say here that it's just the area because I'm seeing the males perform quite high and in different spots. What they're actually doing is trying to attract the female to their lek, or the dance floor, essentially. And so next was, I saw that there was a lot of action around the specific spot every now and again. Went there and found a little branch that just looked a bit different to the others. It was a bit more worn, and identified that as potentially the spot where they would perch. And so I was actually mistaken doing that, but I'll show you that a bit later in the video. Identified this branch, cleared a bit of leaves around it, and then moved back in the hope that I picked the right little twig out of all of the forest. Don't bring your kiddie suit on a business trip, I thought. This would have been tough. Maybe if I lay long enough and still enough. Let's see. The reality is it will require a lot of luck to have that Manakin come sit down at the exact branch I'm focused on. But I did see them display in that area, so there's hope. There are also mosquitoes and a few other things. Parrot. Okay. 10 more minutes. something. So I went to inspect the area, and here's a little branch, and it turns out this is like the green room, and the actual stage is in the back. So these vertical saplings are his he's like a pole dancer, really. He uses those to jump in between them, and that's where he hopes the female bird will sit and watch the display. And so yeah, next time I'll focus on the dance floor, but this time I'm glad I focused on the green room because it gave me some nice shots.